Securing APIs is not the trend of the future, but it is happening right now. 95% of companies have had an API security incident in the past year, with API attack traffic growing by 681%. Therefore, the industry has recognized this year as the Year of API Security. Today, APIs have become the backbone of many applications, but security is a threat that the industry is trying to curtail. The industry lacks a trained workforce to counter the ever-increasing API security threats. Are you ready to seize the opportunity and boost your career as an API security professional? With this course, you'll discover how to identify and eliminate security issues in your APIs and design them for maximum efficiency and minimum risk. Not only will you get hands-on experience with realistic attack scenarios, but you'll also gain the skills to prevent them from happening in the first place. Whether you're a developer, architect, or security professional, this course will provide you with the knowledge and skills to design and build secure APIs. You don't need prior experience with API security to get started with your learning journey. You can access the course and labs within your browser. With no software to download, you'll be up and running in no time. If you ever have any questions, our 24/7 support on Slack will get you the answer from the instructor within minutes, not hours. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills and knowledge you need to secure APIs. You will also gain understanding of the core components in API architecture and how to interact with APIs, understanding of the different types of security threats, such as server-side request forgery, broken authentication, and injection attacks. Knowledge of the principles of secure API design, including proper authentication and authorization, error handling, and encryption. Understanding of API security testing methodology, including techniques and tools used to identify and resolve security issues. Knowledge of the importance of automating security testing and how to implement it as part of SDLC. By completing this course, you'll not only be able to challenge and earn the certification, but you'll also be able to demonstrate your understanding of API security to employers and peers. Plus, you'll use DevSecOps best practices to find and fix API security flaws before they become a problem. Join the ranks of top-notch companies and 5,000+ successful students by securing your future with our globally recognized certification in API security. Get ahead of the curve and start your learning journey today at practicaldevsecops.com.